Hi guys, just a tip really on, don't really know what is, well, tomato puree, yes, tomato, but seriously, I don't know if it's, aluminum foil or tin foil or what, but it's a big jar container. It is a metallic type foil, squishy, and, basically if you cut around the top, down one side, center bottom, you have, the metal about 4 inches wide, about 6 or 7 inches long. Be useful for making body panels or whatever, or battle damage, be it aircraft or tanks or whatever, or even soft skins, very soft skinned. Just next time you drive out food shopping, check out. You go, I thought we need some XYZ. But you fold on the side of the trunk. And you retrieve that, you stinky bugger. Hope it's of use to somebody. Bye.